Welcome to Voice Vocabulary. Today, we will practice reading simple and clear English paragraphs. Each paragraph will help you improve your speaking, listening, and understanding skills. So, get ready to read along and enjoy the journey of learning English. Let's begin. Double asterisk. My morning routine. Every day, I wake up at 6 a.m. I brush my teeth and wash my face. Then I go for a short walk. After that, I take a shower and eat my breakfast. My day starts with these simple steps. A visit to the market. Last Sunday, I went to the market with my mother. We bought fresh fruits and vegetables. The market was crowded, but we enjoyed shopping. My favorite part was buying mangoes. My best friend. My best friend's name is Rohan. He is kind and helpful. We study together and play in the evening. I feel happy when I spend time with him. A rainy day. Yesterday it rained heavily. The sky was dark and the streets were wet. I stayed inside and read a storybook. I love the sound of rain on the window. My favorite food. I love eating pizza. It is soft, cheesy, and full of flavors. I like it more when there are extra toppings. I eat it on weekends with my family. My school. My school is big and beautiful. There are many classrooms and a large playground. I like my teachers and enjoy learning new things every day. A day at the zoo. I visited the zoo last month. I saw lions, tigers, elephants, and monkeys. It was fun to see the animals so closely. I want to go again. My hobby. My hobby is drawing. I draw trees, birds, and people. I feel calm and happy when I draw. Sometimes I color my drawings too. My family. I have a small family. There are 4 members: my father, mother, sister, and me. We love each other and spend time together every evening. A trip to the village. During holidays, I went to my village. The air was fresh and the fields were green. I met my grandparents and ate delicious food. It was a lovely trip. My pet dog. I have a pet dog. His name is Bruno. He is very friendly and playful. He loves to run and bark when he is happy. My classroom. My classroom is clean and bright. There are desks, chairs, and a blackboard. My teacher writes on the board, and we read from our books. The importance of reading. Reading is a good habit. It helps us learn new things. We can read stories, poems, and facts. Reading also improves our language skills. A birthday party. Last week, I went to my cousin's birthday party. We played games, ate cake, and danced to music. It was a fun and joyful evening. My favorite season. My favorite season is winter. I like wearing warm clothes. I drink hot soup and sleep under soft blankets. The weather feels nice and cool. My dream job. When I grow up, I want to be a doctor. I want to help people and make them feel better. It is a job full of care and respect. Cleanliness is important. We should keep our surroundings clean. Throwing garbage in bins and washing our hands are good habits. Clean places make us feel fresh and healthy. A walk in the park. In the evening, I went for a walk in the park. The flowers were blooming and children were playing. The cool breeze made me feel relaxed. My favorite subject. My favorite subject is English. I enjoy reading stories and learning new words. I also like writing small essays and poems. Helping others. We should always try to help others. Helping someone makes us feel happy inside. Even small help can make a big difference in someone's day. Great job reading with us today. To improve your English, repeat this video and watch it again and again. The more you listen and practice, the better you will remember and speak. Keep learning, keep growing, and see you in the next lesson. Double asterisk.